Good morning, students. Today I'm going to show you a Padlet that I created called Avoiding Plagiarism. The objective of this lesson is to help you understand what plagiarism is, what it looks like, how and why it happens, and then to also give you some strategies for avoiding plagiarism and how to cite. This lesson is important for you to learn because plagiarism is illegal. So when you use someone else's material without giving them credit for it, you're basically stealing from them. And we don't want to do that because, like I said, it's illegal. The discussion question for this Padlet is, what are some of the reasons students plagiarize and how can plagiarizing be avoided? So I'm going to show you some of the recent resources that I put up for you to use so that you can learn about plagiarism and how not to plagiarize. This first one is a video. It's a YouTube video, and it gives the how one student actually plagiarized someone else's work and how she got in trouble for it. So it tells you about plagiarism, what it is, and a little bit about what she needed to do to not plagiarize. The second resource is also a video, and it is called Avoiding Plagiarism. And it tells you how you can use quotation marks to cite sources and also how you can paraphrase and summarize so that you don't plagiarize. This last video that I have on here is a video about how to cite your sources. So if you want to watch any of these videos, all you have to do is click on them and it'll take you to the video. The next two resources are PowerPoints. And the first one is, what does it mean to plagiarize? And when you click on it, it will take you to the PowerPoint. And then here at the bottom, you can click through the slides so that you can read and learn about plagiarism. The second PowerPoint that's on here is how to do research, a research project the right way, how to complete research without plagiarizing, how to paraphrase and summarize, and how to cite sources if you need to. This next source is from noredink.com, and it gives you lessons to practice. So when you click on this, it's going to take you to No Red Ink. Oh, mine was already signed on. Sorry. Let me log out. And you will log in. You will actually log in using your ClassLink login. And so when you log in, and I'm just going to go ahead and log in through my teacher account. You will see assignments that I have already posted for you. You have 2 assignments in there. And when you click on that assignment, it gives you the lesson you click on. And there is a lesson for you to view, so you read through this lesson. Once you read through the lesson, there's a practice for you to do. And then and then there's also a quiz, and then you can review those questions as you finish the quiz and see what you missed. And so this is a really good tool for you to use to practice and to learn a little bit more about citing and plagiarism. The next resource is a plagiarism game. And when you click on it, it's going to take you to this goblin's threat. So you'll enter your name. And it will start the game for you. and then you just click on start, and then you go and you find the goblins wherever they're at, and you click on it, and then it gives you a question. This next source is just one that has to do with copyright, and so there's information about different copyrights. So this one was a parent-teacher resource page, but there are definitions. There are what is copyright, the yearbook club, basic questions. So it's just information. This one is just informational. The next two tools that I have, oh, I'm sorry, I skipped ahead. This one is called You Quote It, You Note It. It's also like a tutorial, but it kind of goes through, and it's also like a game. You put in your name. You put in your name, you click next, and then you keep clicking, and then it'll take you through the different, what is a citation? And so it's just a tutorial for you to do to learn more. And then these next two are on there in case you need help citing a source. This one is called My Bib, and if you can change, like, what I want, APA, I want to source, cite a book or a video, and then you just enter the information and it will help you to cite that source. The citation machine is also another citation generator that can help you with citing. And this very last resource is just if you need more help and you want to find more videos, you can always go here to find what is plagiarism. This one is a video about understanding plagiarism with the help from Dr. Seuss. So that's just in case you want more help, more than what is provided with these resources. So it's very important that we learn about plagiarism and how we can avoid it by citing our sources, because you're going to be using this throughout your high school years. You're going to be using this when you go to college. If you choose to be a writer or write for a newspaper, or you want to write songs or poetry, you have to make sure that you're not plagiarizing other people's work. So this is a real life thing. We have to make sure that we are not using someone else's material without giving them credit for it, because, like I said, it's stealing, and we don't want to steal someone else's materials. So here are all the resources, and you can find it on the Avoiding Plagiarism Padlet. Thank you. Have a good day.